Hi, I am Jyaista Gangadin. I'm 14 years old and my hobbies are playing guitar, reading, and swimming. I am a participant of Cosmos Codettes Innostarter 2020. My project is called Miss Backoff. It's a contactless temperature meter with included a doorbell. So we all know we are in this COVID-19 pandemic in Suriname, and when we step into a store, we have to manually get our temperature measured by the shopkeeper, and that's very uncomfortable for us and for the shopkeeper. So that's why I created Miss Backoff. Miss Backoff is a contactless temperature meter with a doorbell included. When someone comes close to 30 centimeters, it will start to detect your temperature. It will show it on the LCD screen, and when it's below 38 degrees Celsius, it will play a nice melody, and that means you can go in. If it's higher than 38 degrees Celsius, it will give a danger warning. The electronics I used are a breadboard, an Arduino Uno, a power bank, some wires, an LCD screen, an ultrasonic distance sensor, a touchless temperature meter, and the buzzer. Then I built everything in Tinkercad. First, I simulated the LCD screen with a touchless temperature meter, and then I simulated the buzzer with the ultrasonic distance sensor. And then I built everything physical. Then I made a 3D design in Tinkercad. Then the enclosure was printed and I had some problems with that. The holes for the ultrasonic distance sensor were too far from each other, and the hole for the LCD screen was a little bit small and it had to be a little bit higher. The next step I took was putting everything in the enclosure. We had some problems with that. Some wires were coming out of the sensor, so we had to solder some of them. So for the code, I used the LCD library and the touchless temperature sensor library. And then I defined my pins. In the void setup, I declared my pins and the ultrasonic distance sensor. In the void loop, I programmed if an object comes close to 30 centimeters, it will start to measure your temperature and show it on the screen. When your temperature is lower than 38 degrees Celsius, it will play a nice melody, and that means you can go in. If it's higher than 38 degrees Celsius, it will give a warning on the screen. So now I'm going to show you a demonstration of my project. Hi, my name is Jyaista and this is my project. These are the components inside, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay. So when you do this, it scans your temperature and it shows it on the screen. And when your temperature is high, you get this. I had a great experience during Innostarter. I learned how to code, how to build 3D designs, and building electronic circuits around the Arduino Uno.